Sharon, you know what? You're the first Indian who removed your car seat covers on the first day. Second day. Alright, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Eleonaro, hope everyone is doing great. It seems there are some new bikes in town, especially the Triumph Tigers. I myself own a Tiger, you guys know that. So I'm pretty interested to go check them out, the Tiger 2020. Let's go. But first, let me have my lunch and go because no eating out. Firstly, you guys know that I'm on diet, and second thing, COVID. That's chicken, rasam, and a lot of brown rice. Just thinking, like you guys keep seeing on my channel, it's not that we are fascinated with these foreign brands and all that. It's only that they make really good products. We have to accept that. But if we Indians can make some amazing products, none of us have any problem buying those products. For example, my friend Charan got the Tata Nexon EV right now. The main reason for that is when we test drove it, we understood that it is as good as a foreign brand. There are few things that we can ignore. You know, for example, Hyundai's quality of plastics and the switches inside, all that is amazing. The feel of the plastics, the feel of the steering wheel, all these small things, you know, all those are like really amazing. And I think that is the main reason we're charged a little bit extra for that. Now Tata is almost there. Like I've already repeated in my previous video, if Hyundai or Honda or any other Toyota, if these are like 9 out of 10, I will give Tata 8.5 out of 10 as of date. If they can improve that, we will definitely like to spend our money on such products. And I'm pretty sure it's happening. The way Tata designs right now, it's like outstanding. Kudos to Tata. I just wish some nice biking company should come up as good as a Triumph or a BMW motorcycle. They make like really good bikes. The engine, everything is like superb. As of now, I don't think we have any Indian brands which make amazing bikes. For example, if Tata or someone comes up with bikes and they make as good products as a Triumph or a BMW or Ducati, then definitely I don't think we'll be looking at foreign brands. Just waiting for that day. For now, let's go and see the Triumph bikes, the new Triumph Tiger 2020. So reached the Triumph showroom. Super excited, super excited to see the new Triumph Tiger 2020. You know, nowadays, before getting down of the car, you need to prepare yourself with so many things. Sanitize, mask pehno, get a temperature checked. Let me sanitize. I was waiting for Charan, he is also here. Oh, by the way, he needs to get some things done on his new EV. So after this, we'll be doing all that.
Where's your tiffin box?
How is your new car?
Amazing. I want more traffic.
Did you charge it?
Fully, 100%.
Yesterday 100%.
There
is one thing I did not like about Tata. They gave you 50%. Petrol etla nahi baro. At least
half-liter
electric
petrol.
charge full year, ara. You know, one thing I'm annoyed with Triumph people now.
Why?
They didn't call us that there are new bikes here. They didn't tell us, a Tiger guy, that there are new Tigers here.
They forgot us.
Vikas, Pawan, Mohan, Chepta.
97.1. అందరికి ఒకటే వస్తుంది.
Where is Pawan? I want Pawan. Vikas, మాకు చెప్పావా కొత్త బైక్స్ వచ్చాయని?
ఇంకా పీడే కాలేదు, స్టార్ట్ కావాలి కదా.
మర్చిపోయారు కదా ట్రైంఫ్ ఓనర్ అని.
BMW కొనమని మర్చిపోయారు.
కాదు, బైక్ స్పీడే కాలేదు.
Okay, we have the new Tiger 2020. This is the name of GT Pro, na? GT, that's it. Okay, this is a GT, one beautiful color. This is the same as an XR. XRX, road variant. So this is XEX.
XEX Rally.
XEX Rally.
Pro, XEA.
Confusing, very confusing. Too many models. This is the off-road version, that is the road version. The best part is this one. There's a freaking iPad here. Look at this.
So big.
Screens are same, right?
Alright, nice.
This is definitely one beautiful color. Koroshi red, and this one khaki green, matte khaki. And yeah, this detailing is amazing. Okay, I think it will take at least one complete video to review this particular bike. There's so many changes in it compared to my old Tiger. I think that deserves a separate video. For now, I'll just show you 120 fps shots of both these beautiful bikes.
Tubeless, tubeless, tubeless.
Tubeless rims, very important. Spoked tubeless rims. And you have the Brembo's M50s. These are like second best brakes on any bike you can get.
Look at this.
The
detail.
Ducati Multistrada gets this, Truxton gets this, and Speed Twin gets this. They're like very clicky and punchy. This is what I love about Triumphs. Detailing, detailing, detailing. Ah. See that click? You know, small things, but they matter a lot.
All I wanted.
Do you think you should have waited?
I wanted a bike then. If it was available then I would have been very confused. Because I was looking for the Tiger 800 XRX. So they were waiting, asking me to wait for this one.
One more year.
Yeah, August.
You wouldn't come to Sikkim then.
Street twin pay.
Startup of the new Triumph Tiger 2020. Exhaust has become slimmer now again. That's how the Rally Pro sounds. It's got the whistle sound. Now people said whistle sound is gone, but I don't think it's gone completely. Maybe it's still there, 10-15%. It's much grunty now. Let me try it out. First time sitting on the 2020 Rally Pro. For me it is like really tall. Does it suit me?
Yeah. But looks like the same Tiger you have.
Yeah, but like you said, it is very
But I
light.
think on this green color it looks good.
This is the best color. I like even that color, the red one. But one side you need to get on. This is actually tall.
This is tallest
I
setting.
am what 5'11" and I feel it's tall. So that's how an adventure bike is, especially an off-road bike. They'll not allow me to move it. थोड़ा move करेंगे first gear में. First move by me in Hyderabad. Need to take it out. We need to dive it properly and on the highway. Charan was talking about the dive that we have in the 850 GS. That's horrible. That's one thing I hate in the 850. Now the best part of the bike I like is first is color, definitely in the Rally Pro. Second best part is the screen here. Look at this.
Huge. Like, look at that. That's like a...
Okay, now let's sit on the road variant. GT, just GT. While getting down on the Tiger or getting onto the Tiger, you have to be careful with this. ऐसा लगता. Even this color is beautiful. It's got a nice shimmer. This is much better. Kinda kundi bandi. It's shorter than my bike. Seriously, much shorter than my bike. Sit. Nick set you would enjoy this bike, right?
This is not as low as Africa Twin, but comfortable.
I think it's same as the
Like,
Africa.
I can bend my knees, dude.
That's what.
Yeah, I think red color I would have loved this.
So let's listen to the exhaust note of the GT. Huh. LEDs have changed. Become more grunty.
Angry.
And also because I think it's in the corner. Maybe because of that, the grunt is more.
And it's angry, dude.
Angry engine. Waiting to rev. Really excited to ride this bike. Next week we'll get the test ride. Sitting on the bike for the first time, it really feels positive. Let's see, let's ride it. My idea is to move it because till now no one started this bike and moved it. I should be the first one to do it in Hyderabad. It's like
Angry bird.
Chalo, we are the first ones who moved the Tiger in Hyderabad. Yeah, but this is pretty small here compared to my Tiger. I'm talking about the GT. Looking from here, I can tell it's definitely small except for this huge iPad. Pawan, when do we get the test rides for both the Tigers?
Next week.
Next week. Okay, done. Next week I'll see you then. Give me a call. Okay, that's our quick episode of the first look of the Tigers. Now we'll go not in the old primitive internal combustion engines. Let's go in the EV. Charan, new Nexon EV. I just hope the charging is there. Yesterday we had a scary time, you remember? We had like 30% left and we had to go almost 30 more kilometers.
And it did go pretty well.
So they gave us like 50% charge. How many kilometers did you drive yesterday?
60.
60 kilometers total. And then it was around, by the time you reached home, it was 14%.
13%. 25 or 27 kilometers range.
That was scary, yeah, seriously. Because if it stops somewhere, we don't have bottles to get petrol. Even if you get it, you can't fill it. Oh, 90% battery, 197 kilometers range.
I want more traffic, man.
More traffic, more mileage.
More mileage.
Weird, no? Array, I forgot. I'm seriously waiting for it to crank up. And it's just moving.
I'm forgetting when it's on and off.
Did I lock my car? 1 second. Chalo, I think Charan's OCD kicked in once again. He wants to get his tires checked. What is the plan?
No, I want to get better tires. So on S-Cross, I had better tires. Which
Okay, we
lasted
have
more than
MRS on this now.
MRF Wanderers or something.
And we feel there is a kind of a vibration when we're pulling the car. Full throttle.
I'm not sure it will change at the tires. I don't think it's the
I
tires.
feel that is with the
Just
EV
the
motor.
EV
The character of
motor.
EV motor is like that. When you pull it, it vibrates a little bit. Like a jerky movement. It's not to do with the
Mini
tires.
Coopers and all.
Mini Coopers, Vernas, diesel engines, Tigers, all petrol combustion engines, creating a lot of pollution. See, we're just moving like that. Energy flow.
Energy flow. So it shows if the energy is going to the battery or from the battery to the wheels.
Oh, all this I'll show in proper review of this car.
Keep it for a week.
Okay, now we're going to Ashoka wheels.
Ashoka wheels, just to see if they have.
We'll
the
see some
wheels
good
that
tires for this car. Are you going to change it today?
Yeah, if they, it's just a half an hour job.
Yeah. I need some chai now. Too much work kar rahe aaj. Are you looking for Michelin?
No, this version of Michelin, Primacy 3 was like the best tires you can get for a car.
You got it for the S-Cross.
S-Cross.
You had 50,000 kilometers on it and you still have 20,000 kilometers.
On it. And they are good in dry and wet.
Michelin,
So this is the sequel for that.
Michelin Primacy.
4.
Primacy 4. Yeah, flop show, we did not get the tires.
Everything second attempt, third attempt.
Second attempt, yeah. Charan wanted some specific tires. That was not there.
Any tire experts you'll know of Michelin P3 ST.
Michelin P3 S3
ST.
ST.
I'm a big fan of those tires. For cars.
But do you think we need tires? I mean, you can exchange your tires, no?
Yeah, I can
You'll
exchange.
get
They'll
some
give price.
3,500 rupees he said per tire. And the new tire is?
Maybe 4,500, 5,000 whatever. New tire.
5,000 for a new tire, max. Yeah, so you're spending like 1,500 rupees more after exchanging your tires. Charan, you know what? You're the first Indian who removed your car seat covers on the first day. No, second day actually.
Oh, we shouldn't?
Indians don't remove their seat covers.
Oh, I used to like
for
that.
at least a month.
I used to like that.
I
but
did that.
once-
You're not a true Desi.
But we still have these.
A little bit Indian Desi is there because he didn't remove.
And this. I forgot this.
He forgot. Anyways, you're not 100% Desi because you removed all the seat covers wrong.
Canadian.
Canadian.
Call Aditya Parmi. ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నట్టున్నావు
లేదురా ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చా.
అంతేరా, డెలివరీకి రమ్మంటే మాత్రం స్టమక్ అప్సెట్. ఆఫీస్ అనగానే ఉరుకుతారు. ఎప్పుడు వస్తావు బయటికి?
అరే నువ్వు ఇంటర్వ్యూ లేదురా, నేను వేసుకుంటారు.
వద్దు దాడు, వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇవ్వాలి అవి.
వచ్చినప్పుడు సో 6 కల్లా ఐల్ బి అవుట్.
నాకు ఎంత ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంటే అంత ఇష్టం.
ఎంత ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంటే అంత మైలేజ్ వస్తుంది మాకు. చరణ్, 1 రూపీ per kilometer?
ఎస్.
Okay, now I am driving Charan's car for the first time after the delivery. Really nice, Ray. Ride quality is very good. I mean, I'm talking about the maneuverability. It's good. Like sedan cars, when you turn like that, you have that nice grounded
no body
feeling.
roll.
There's no body roll basically. But more to come. Proper review we'll do later. Going back to the Triumph showroom to take my car and also meet Aditya. Fake Arjun Reddy. ఆదిత్య ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి ఇంట్రో ఇస్తాడు చూడు. ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రో ఇస్తాడు చూడు.
వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా.
యు నో రైట్, డీపీగా.
అరే భయపడుతున్నావు ఇంటర్వ్యూ.
అవునరా. ఏ వాట్సాప్ గైస్, కేసో ఎలా ఉన్నారు? హౌస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్? హోప్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్.
నువ్వు ప్రొఫెషనల్ అనుకున్నారా?
ఆ లాస్ట్ నాకు రాదురా.
Hope everyone is doing
హోప్
great.
ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ డూయింగ్ గ్రేట్. అంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయినా.
సారీ,
ఈడు పేరే మర్చిపోయిండు.
పేరు అంటే అటు పక్కనే ఉన్నాడు కదా ఆ పేరు.
పేరు అదే.
అది
తగ్గిందా?
అది ఇవి చరణ్, ఇవి రియలైజ్ అయితే
సింక్
కార్ ఆన్ లో ఉంది తెలుసా నీకు?
అవునా?
కొత్తగా ఉంది కదా.
ఫ్రీ అని
ఎట్లా
వాడుకుంటున్నావు?
వేర్ డే వాంట్ గో అంటే వేరే వాళ్ళు కూర్చుంటే డబ్బులు తీసుకుంటాం.
ఏంటి? ఓకే రా, నేను నా కార్
per kilometer.
1 రూపీ per kilometer.
1 రూపీయా?
నీ దాంట్లో 7 రూపీస్ అంట.
50 పైసలు ఇస్తా.
పర్లేదా? ఏం సంగతులు పద ఎక్కువ
ఆకలిస్తుందిరా.
పునుగులు తింటావా?
యూ వాంట్ పునుగులు? సరే, ఎక్కడ ఏం తింటో చెప్పు.
అంటే
మాకు ఫ్రీ పెట్రోల్ ఉంది, నీకు ఎక్కడ కావాలి చెప్పు.
అది ఎంత ఇస్తుందిరా?
ఇప్పుడైతే ఇంకా
అరే నేను
182
ఇంటి
kilometers
దగ్గర
ఉంది.
బయలుదేరినప్పుడు
We have-
210 ఉండే, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 30 తిరిగిన.
We have 182 kilometers. You can go till Suryapet.
సూర్యాపేట సినిమా పోతామంటే రామ్ మళ్ళీ.
నైట్ ఉండాలి.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి సూర్యాపేటలో 7 లో ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.
అరే నేను రథదీప్ వెళ్దాం అనుకున్నా. నాకు ఆ బేల్పూరి మిక్స్ ఉంటుంది చూడు, హల్దీరామ్స్.
స్టార్ట్ చేసినారా హల్దీరామ్స్? సరే, ఆలు భుజియా.
అరే
అంటే బయట కన్నా అది బెటర్ కదరా. అంటే యూ గైస్ వాంట్, నువ్వు తిన్నావు పిజ్జా తిన్నావా?
ఓకే, నా డిన్నర్ అయిపోద్ది.
అంటే లాపినోస్ ఉంది, బాగుంటది. లేకపోతే ఫస్ట్ రథదీప్ పోదాం.
పిజ్జా.
సరే ముందు రత్తదీప్.
రథదీప్ నో పిజ్జా.
ఓకే, ఒక అది లెట్స్ గో టు రత్నదీప్. కిలోమీటర్స్ రాసుకో, 50 paisa per kilometer.